Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing with you a really quick grocery haul with you and sort of just how I organise my fridge and how I organise my food for the week. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, turn on the notification bells, and let's quickly jump straight into this haul. Okay, so this is $98 worth of produce right here, and I've sort of just grouped it into categories. So I'm not going to tell you what it is because you can see what it is. This would be for our tacos. This is for spaghetti bolognese. These are for my snacks that I make up, my snack packs. Then I've got some chicken nuggets just to go with veggies. These are for work, the yogurts. And then I've got a birthday pack that I'm making up, like a survival kit, sort of like pack. So I've got those, some more milk for cereals and drinks, and again, snacks. This one here is my avo for my lunches at work. So I do have the rest of that. And then I've got some Nutella for toast and stuff for Talia. Garlic bread, which is going to be for her, like pumpkin soup that I make. It's got a lot of veggies in it as well. So I've got that. And then I've got just a power board because I needed another one. Some shortcut bacon. This was $10. This is more of an impulse purchase because of the price tag, but I will divide this up and put it in the freezer. Sourdough bread was on half price, but I'm actually allowed to have that, so I've got that. And this will be again for like breakfast and snacking, drinks, hot drinks for this freezing cold weather we're having. And then again, I've got my period, so we're back to having some Coke if I do need to absorb the painkillers quicker. And then I have some popcorn just for snacking, and also some Checkers biscuits to go with the French onion dip for Talia. I also have some of the oats and the cinnamon for breakfast, and some honey also because I want that for my honey and tea stuff that I have. So that is pretty much $98 worth of groceries there. And you can see, like, this is just a top up. There's not really any meals here. It's stuff to go with meals that I've already got in the freezer. Okay, so I'm just starting off by cleaning out the fridge, which is something that I normally do before I do the grocery shopping, but I was sneaking this little grocery shop in. Talia is with her dad at the moment, and he said that he wasn't going to be too far away, but it was enough time for me to do a quick grocery shop. So that's why I squeezed this in today, and I'm doing it sort of like the opposite way around. So today's question of the video is, what do you do at the start of each week to get organised? I'd love to know, and share your little tips or little hacks with us so we can all learn from one another. So I'm literally just wiping down the fridge, wiping out all the baskets, and just taking anything out that is out of date. Now I'm just popping all the food back into the fridge that was already in there before, and I'm also adding the food that I'm not going to actually prep today that is going to go in this fridge. Now it's time to decanter everything. So basically I pop everything into jars, and that is just to help it stay fresh for longer. And also you can see how much of each product that you have. I don't actually have them professionally, like labels on them, because I find it much easier just to wash a jar out, and you can just put whatever you want in it then, and it's much easier. The only time I would label things now is if it's, say, white sugar and salt, when they look pretty much exactly the same. But other than that, you can see what is in there, and it just, you don't need a label. It makes it so much easier. Next up, I'm just going to portion out all the bacon because I did buy a whole kilo of bacon today. So I'm just going to portion that out and pop it into the freezer, just so then it doesn't go out of date. I find that if I don't do things straight away, sometimes I get complacent and I end up, you know, going out of date, and I have to throw things out. So it's much easier for me to do these as soon as the grocery shop is needing to be put away. And today I'm also just prepping some of the snacks that I've got, so then they actually get eaten. And then you would have seen I did purchase some yogurt, so I'll have these, and then when these run out I will go on to the yogurt. Throughout the week I will also be doing a bit more food prep. that I'm not actually showing today. This is just what I'm doing on the grocery haul day, but I'll probably just be prepping up some pumpkin soup and pumpkin pasta for the rest of the week. Now I'm just popping everything into the freezer, and everything in here is getting that little bit out of hand in here, unfortunately. So if you do want to see a freezer sort of organisation video, let me know, and I might also do one of those in the future. And this is what it looks like when it is all organised. And as you can see, everything's sort of in its proper spaces and according to the labels that are on the shelves. And as I said, some of this stuff will be prepped later on during the week. So I'm just prepping the bare minimum of the snacks at the moment, so nothing goes out of date, especially because the celery was on clearance also. And this is what the pantry area looks like. Yes, it doesn't look that glamorous because it definitely needs a bit of a facelift in here. But as you can see exactly what products are in here and how much is left of the products. So this makes it so much easier for when I need to write a grocery list or my next grocery shop. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and I will catch up with you guys next week for a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.